The Sirite Mining Company that is operating in Nimiama Chiefdom, Kono District and in Gurama Minde Chiefdom in Kenema District respectively has on Wednesday the 15th July 2020 paid its yearly land compensation fees to the two chiefdoms land owners. Tamba Jaba is the Community Affairs Manager of the Sirite Mining Company. Start with the overview of the gesture.
We meet here today, a compensation for landowners. That agreement where the company agree with the community people, especially the concession which we operate, both Gurama Minde Chiefdom and Nimiama Chiefdom.
He says the purpose of the gathering cannot be unconnected to the agreements the company had with those whom land fall within the concession of the company's operation, that every year the company should pay an agreed amount of money to the landowners as compensation fees for the use of their land. He revealed that in Gurama Minde Chiefdom, Kenema districts is the family heads that have right over their land and they collect their money, while in Nimiama Chiefdom, Kono district is the chiefdom authorities that have sole right over lands headed by the paramount chief. He collects the money on behalf of the landowners. Sydney Tabala is the acting chief operation officer. Speak more on the purpose of the gathering.
We are gathered here today to witness another corporate social responsibility activity by Sirite Mining Company, where land-owning families who were affected and who are affected by our operations are going to receive their annual compensation. Sirite Mining Company is operating in two chiefdoms, Gurama Minde Chiefdom in Kenema District and the Nimiama Chiefdom in Kono District. So every year we pay annual compensation to families affected by our operations as a company. As a company, we are very much concerned and committed to community development, and we have done much in the communities we are operating in. We are also happy with the rapport we have with the community. So far, we have done quite much in these two communities. Talking about the Nimiama Chiefdom, we have constructed, just in brief, we have constructed the courtroom, we have constructed a barri for Sewafe, we have also constructed a barri for an house community, we have rehabilitated several schools, and we have also rehabilitated some roads in the community. Gurama Minde Chiefdom, we have also constructed a courtroom, we constructed two schools, and now we are in the process of constructing another state-of-the-art school, which is going to be a senior secondary school. The company has also made several donations of computers and solar panels to various institutions. The company has also made several donations, both at community level and national level, in the fight against COVID-19. So we really appreciate. But let me make one thing clear. Sirite Mining Company is a mining company still in the exploration stage. We are not yet a fully fledged mining company. So as such, the company is not deriving any profit from the exploration activities. The cost of running the company, the cost involved in the legal compliance, the cost for all the community projects we are undertaking are costs coming directly from the investor, Dr. Alfred Sirite, who is the CEO of Sirite Mining Company. Ladies and gentlemen, before I hand you back again to Mr. Jaba to go ahead with the program, let me thank Dr. Alfred Sirite in absentia for changing lives. Please, let's give him a round of applause.
Chief Philip Musa Kuroma is the chiefdom speaker for Nimiama Chiefdom Kono districts on behalf of his boss, the paramount chief, Chief George Bokari Toto. He made this statement.
Before I talk, when somebody do you good, if you tell them what we take it. Sometimes we tell and take it, he will go sit down, he consider you back. He say this person, he get appreciation. We like you and this good. So when they tell Searite company, Boku Tenki, from where they got their residents now, from where they begin.
He says, it is very nice to say thanks and appreciation to whomsoever offered you goodness. Maybe you will get more. On that note, he expressed sincere thanks and appreciation to Dr. Alfred Searite for all the good helping hands he has provided in Nimiama Chiefdom people and beyond. And since the company started its exploration operation, they have provided so many things for them, ranging from schools, bridges, roads, community center and barriers, cold room for fish keeping, learning materials, computer desktops for various schools in Nimiama Chiefdom, hand dog worlds, and even planning to provide them a fish pond. He maintained that the yearly money in question, they have been collecting it every year since the company started its explorations. He gave kudos to the company for being accurate every year in giving this money without reminding them like other full operational mining companies. He finally prayed for the company to see what they are looking for so that the land beneficiaries will benefit more. Chief Songo Koma is the chiefdom speaker for Gramamende Chiefdom Kenema District.
We na we dey call Katanga. We something we not keep green no more. We see that car. I be tossed. I will keep that. We not green. See right for enter. That been there too much.
He started by explaining the tussle that was between them, the chiefdom authorities, and the mining company before the mining could finally succeed to enter their chiefdom to start operation on their exploration mandate. But he says, as time goes by, they finally came into a conclusion and allowed the company to start operation. And now they are the first people among the two chiefdoms that are embracing the Searite Mining Company tightly because of the great benefit they are receiving from the company. He also named various developmental landmarks of the mining company, from schools, roads, bridges, community barriers and centers, cold room for fish keeping, learning materials, hand dog wells, and even planning to provide them a fish pond. On the land compensation fees, he said this money is being given to them yearly and on time, as they receive the total sum of 100 million every year during the rains, and each family head or representative receive 5 million each. On behalf of his chiefdom people present, he thanked Dr. Alfred Searite for all the company has been doing and still doing for them. He prayed for the company to succeed over what they are shorting for,